Hello everyone. Recently, I've noticed that the construction speed in the solar industry seems to have slowed down. Interestingly, I've found that people are starting to pay more attention to the cleanliness. Why is cleaning solar panels more important than building new power stations?
A great question, indeed. The industry is transitioning from a phase of rapid expansion to one of refined operations. Simply put, instead of just breaking new ground, we are now thinking about how to cultivate the existing land better to achieve greater harvests.
Oh, refined operations. Can you elaborate?
Now, the speed of new installations is naturally slowing down. The focus of competition has shifted from who builds quickly and more to who operates well and has higher power generation efficiency. The next key step is to maximize the value of these existing assets. Cleaning solar panels is one of the most direct and controllable ways to enhance power generation efficiency.
So cleanliness is directly related to power generation. How much impact does it have?
The impact is significant. If the surface of a solar panel accumulates dirt, wood droppings, and pollen, it's like putting a mask on it, which severely blocks sunlight and leads to decreased power generation efficiency. According to some industry data, over 60% of commercial power stations nationwide, after undergoing high-frequency dry cleaning more than 60 times a year, can see an average power generation increase of up to 11%.
11%? That's a considerable increase.
Exactly, and that's just the average level. In certain high-pollution power plants, the effects can be astonishing. For example, power stations near steel mills, furniture factories, or cement plants are exposed to a lot of particulate matter and get dirty very quickly. In these locations, after frequent cleaning, power generation can increase by over 50%.
Over 50%? That's truly transforming waste into treasure. Are there other reasons besides directly increasing power generation?
Of course, investors and operators are paying more attention to the return on investment (ROI). The costs associated with cleaning, compared to the gain in power generation, often represent a very cost-effective investment. It can directly increase electricity revenue, making cash flow healthier for the power station. Keeping solar panels clean means generating more green electricity under the same sunlight conditions, thereby reducing energy waste, which is a practical contribution to our carbon reduction goals.
I see. It used to seem like cleanliness was an optional maintenance task, but now it feels like it has become an essential production task.
Exactly. Cleaning solar panels has shifted from being an optional action to becoming a mandatory action in the refined operations of power stations. This is actually a very significant indicator of the entire industry maturing. People are no longer just pursuing scale, but are starting to delve into the potential of each solar panel and focusing on value management throughout the entire life cycle.
Okay, it seems there's a lot more to solar panel cleanliness than I thought. Thank you for your insights.
You're welcome. Let's chat again next time.